Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off hotspot automatically when it's no longer used on Android phone. So guys, let's get started. First of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to select the connection setting. And on this connection setting, you are going to select the mobile hotspot and tethering, this one. And you are going to tap on the mobile hotspot. Okay, and after that you can click on configure option right here, then click on the advanced setting, this one. Tap on the advanced and there will be several options for you, and you're going to select the turn off when no device connected for. You just need to tap on it. Then you can select the duration when you want your hotspot disabled automatically when no device connected for, and I'm gonna go with 10 minutes, this one. Okay, and in 10 minutes when there's no device connected for, your hotspot will be automatically turned off. Okay, then once we're done, we just need to click on this save button, and the setting will be saved to our Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can turn off hotspot automatically when it's no longer used. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.